New 6,000 US dollars tax break for seniors. If you are 65 or older, stop what you are doing and watch this video. The government just quickly gave you a brand new tax break worth up to 6,000 US dollars. Most seniors have no idea this exists, and if you don't know about it, you could be leave hundreds of dollars on the table when you file your taxes. I'm going to explain exactly what is, who gets it, and how to claim it in plain, simple English, no confusing tax language, I promise. My name is Yes, and on this channel, I help seniors understand money benefits and anything that affect your wallet. Today, we are talking about the new Enhanced Senior Deduction. It was signed into law in July 2025 as part of bill called the One Big Beautiful Bill Act. The IRS itself confirmed this. It is officially, and if you are qualified, you can ask it right now when you file your 2025 taxes. So let's break it down nice and simple. Okay, first, what exactly is this? It is called a tax deduction. This think of it this way. Imagine the government is going to tax you on 50,000 US dollars of your income. A deduction means they subtract money from that number before they calculated your taxes. So with this new $6,000 deduction, instead of being taxes on 15,000 US dollars, you are only taxed on $44,000. That means less money goes to the government and more step in your pocket. For most seniors, this save anywhere from $200 to $700 per year in taxes. Some couple can save even more. And here the best part, the deduction is on top of the regular standard deduction you already get. It stacks, you get both. Now the big question, do you qualify? Here are the three things you need. Number one, you must to be age 65 or older. You need to have turned 65 before December 31, 2025 to use it your own 2025 taxes. Number two, you need a social security number. You list it on your tax return. It's like normal, that's it. Number three, your income must be under a certain limit. I will explain that in just a second. Now, does it matter you are still working or fully retired? Know whether you part time, collect social security, or have a pension, you can still qualify. Does it matter if you can take the standard deduction or anti-match? No, you get this deduction either way. The only thing that you can reduce your benefit if your income is too high, and I will explain that next. 6,000 US dollar deduction start to shrink if you make too much money. Here how it works, it's simple term. If you alone, single head of household or window, if your income is under 75,000 US dollars, you get the full 6,000 US dollars. If your income between 75 US dollars and 175 K US dollars, you get a similar smaller amount. If your income is over 175K US dollars, this deduction does not apply to you. If you are married and file together under 150K US dollars, full 12,000 US dollars deduction. Between 150K US dollars and 250K US dollars, partial deduction. Over 250K US dollars, this one is not for you. And just so you know, the income they look at is called your modified adjustment gross income. Your tax prepare of your software will calculate this automatically. You don't have to figure it out yourself. Okay, so you qualify. How do you actually get this money? Good news, you don't have to do anything complicated. The IRS update tax from 1040 from the 2024 tax year. There is now a brand new form called Schedule 1A. Your deduction appear there in Part 5, labeled Enhanced Deduction for Seniors. If you use ToroBox, HR Blocks, or any tax software, it will automatically ask you your age and apply this deduction for you. If you use a tax preparer or accountant, just make sure they know you're 65 or older. They will handle the rest. If you file by paper, Look for Schedule First A in your 2025 tax form package. And if you're not sure whether you got it, check your return. Look at Schedule 1, line 37. If you're eligible and you're prepared at your job, you should see the deduction there. Now I have a quick favor to ask. Do you have a parent, a neighbor, or a friend or someone at church who is 65 or older? Please share this video with them. You might just save them hundred of dollars. And drop a comment below and tell me, did you already know you about the tax break? Let me know yes or no in the comment. I read every single one. If this video helped you, hit that thumb up. It really help other seniors find this information. And if you want more videos about benefit taxes, social security and monitors for seniors, subscribe and ring the bell so you never miss one. Bye bye.